CA Technologies' Modern Software Factory is what I would call a wonderful tool set that's now enabling us to have those digital transformation conversations with our customers in transforming the entire company in moving from waterfall way of doing things to a more agile way of doing business. We loved being at CA World in Las Vegas last year, and we would love to come back there. The conversations that we had with our customers, the conversations we had with the CA team and the leadership team there was very, very, very powerful. It really opened up new thoughts in terms of how we can leverage the partnership, but also the conversations that we had with the customers helped us create a new pipeline that we are seriously pursuing.